Oh, para hindi lumipad. Halo-halo yan eh. Oh, mga lovebirds. Kuna mo sila, kuna mo. Eh, naka-video ko eh. Sayang, wala si buddy niya. Video ko eh. Ano naman eh. Oh, go inside, kuya.
Hey.
Oh, okay, other side ng ano. May malaki palang isda ron na, oh. May malaki palang isda, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayan, oh. Sige, sige.
Smile, kuya. Smile muna. Ow! Inapakan ako ni kuya. Rafi, smile muna. Yes, ano? May malaking isda pala doon. Tulad na. Yun yung tinatanong ko. Sabi ko po. Do you want to hold that? That one we're Iguana.
Iguana.
There you go.
It's a big lizard, no?
Can you conquer your fear?
Yes! My baby can. My baby is very brave.
Look at that bird.
Bird, ano yan eh, yung... Ano pangalan niya? Ano pangalan niya? Rufous Hornbill. Hornbill, sabi ko na. Hi, baby. Hello, baby. How's my baby? Good, you're good. Are you enjoying it? Yes. Do you like? Oh, there's the hornbill, oh. Oh, there's the hornbill, oh. Oh, oh, sige, you stay there. You stay there, dali ko kung ano, diyan ka sa hornbill. Oh, in front of the hornbill, say here. Here, kami, baby. Yan, diyan ka, diyan, baby. Oh, there's the hornbill. Stay there, dali. Video kayo ni ate, kuya. Kuya, oh, there's the hornbill, oh. Oh. Look at the hornbill, oh. Okay. Kuya, say hi.
Rain, tatlo. Oh, wait pa na. Baba mo muna yan.
Wait lang, picture lang, kuya.
Lagay mo muna dito. Lagay mo muna dito. Oh. Tapos picture. Yan. Oh, go. Yan. Ganito lang. Hindi. Open.
Yan. Nice, kuya.
Ay, 1, 2, 3. Rain. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ano ba?
Ba't wala na ba doon siya taas?
1,
Ano pa?
2, 3, smile.
Kuya. Kuya. Rapi.
Smile muna, last one.
Raise your hand, raise your hand. Hindi ka gaya ni Bebe, oh. Gaya ni Bebe.
Do like this, kuya.
Yan.
Smile.
Okay na.
I'm so tired. I don't want to do it all the time.
Okay na. What? Many times down. Tama na.
Slowly, slowly. Walk slowly. So that I can take the video. Slowly so that I can take the video.
Bayad ba ako dyan?
Dami kayong show, di ba?
Auntie, Daddy.
What's that? Eagle. There's an eagle there, oh. There's an eagle, oh. How many eagles? You count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You count. How many? How many eagles? Dapat yung puno, tinaas nila hanggang dun, oh. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yeah. Present daw, present. It's a new adventure here at Manila Ocean Park. It's a brand new adventure. Wow! Wait. Wait. Damay sila. Wait. Wait. Oh, look at the birds, huh? Look at the birds. Look at the birds, huh?
You wanna touch it? Picture? Gusto mo magpa-picture? Oh, baby.
Sige, galawin bird. Dali.
Picture kita. Come.
Yeah, look. Look, baby. Look, biting. Biting. Oh, wait muna. Up. Wait muna. Okay. Stay there. Just stay there. Oh, bibidyo ni Papa. Yeah, just stay there, kuya. Oh. Yeah, babe. Dito, oh, sa harapan, oh. Dumb ways to die. Yeah, dumb ways to die. Babe, dito mo kuna no, sa harapan nila. Oh. Bebe, come here, stay here. Oh, just stay there. Oh, just stay there. Okay. Kaya ba? Oh, look at the birds. Oh, look at the birds. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. Oh. Huh? Yeah. Just stay there. Oh, yeah, oh, look at the birds. Oh. Look at the birds. Kuya, oh, plenty of birds. Oh. Kuya, look at the birds. Look at the birds. Oh. Bebe, look, oh. Bebe Ray, come here, look, oh. Oh, he's biting me, oh. Oh, biting me, oh. Look. Oh. Ikaw, you put your hands, oh, like that, oh. Ikaw, Bebe, you put your hands, put your finger. Yeah, put your finger, closer. Go. It doesn't hurt, right? Oh, look at Papa, oh, look, oh. Oh, ikaw. Wow! One more. Dali, bibigyan ni Papa. Wow, Bebe. Galing ng Bebe. One more. Dali, one more. Wow! Galing. Galing ng Bebe. Oops, sorry. Rap, Rika, come here. Kuya, come here. No, wait lang. It's alright. Nakita mo, nagpapakagat si Bebe Ray. Papakagat siya sa ibon. Bebe Ray, one more time. You put your fingers in front of the bird. Dali, go. Hindi, wala. Look at Papa. Oh, come on. Bite. Oh. Bite. Ikaw, Bebe. Put your finger. Dali, closer. Ayun na, this one, Bebe. Yan. You put your hands. Yan, there you go. Ano ba yan? Para sa... Oh, pwede rin. Or Panasonic. Parang dati nyo, Panasonic.
Wala. Ang Panasonic lang na yung malaki.
Ay, malaki lang.
Kaya parang Samsung na lang. Mas maliliit.
Ilang kilogram? Tanong kay mama ko. Anong kilogram?
Hindi.
Okay.
Inaano lang namin yung basa.
It flies away. Wow.
Ikaw, tanungin mo sa kanila kung ano niya.
Opya. Dumb ways to die. Okay. Hindi meron pa itaas eh. Hindi natin nakyat yung itaas. Dito ka sa pinakadulo. Di ba meron pa pinakataas yun? Yun na ba yun? It's a great adventure. Dito naman dito sa mga kanilang merch. Ayan, mga merch nila. Ocean Park. Okay, Ocean Park. Kakatu. Yan. Marami sa New Zealand yan Kakatu. Sa Australia, sa Australia. Ang ganda ng mga design, no? Oh. Mga merch nila. May magnet ba? Meron. Ang ganda nakalagay, Ocean Park. Ayan, mga magnetic display. Ang rep. Nevereng, come here. Nevereng. Come here, stay here, Stay here. Dali, video ka lang ni Papa, dali. Kuya, you and Kuya. Get Kuya. Hold Kuya. Oh, stay here. Oh, sit down kayo dyan. Sit down kayo. Yes! Okay. Bebe, Kuya, look at Papa. Say hi. Hi, Bebe, hi. Hi, wave. Very pretty naman, Bebe. On the other side naman, Bebe, there. Hindi, here, Bebe. Stand up in the t-shirt. Yeah. Do like this. Two hands. Yeah. Nice, Bebe. Kuya, where are you? Kuya, Bebe, stay there, Bebe, look at the fish, big fish, Sit down. Okay. Ma, yung may isda, Ma.
Ayun, tilapia.
Ma, laki ng fish,
This is more bigger.
Look at that. Wah, Kuya, Rapi.
Ayun sila yung pangabig.
Pagdikwatro mo.
The big fish is behind you. The big fish behind you.
Behind me. Where is it?
Oh yeah.
Yes, big fish.
Kuya Rapi. Oh, Kuya Rapi. Kuya, look here. Rapi.
Wow, tilapia. Pwede pang ulam. Sa ihaw. baby. Oh. Sige, sige.
Happy, dito ka. Happy.
Oh, laki ng fish, oh.
Wait lang.
Look at the big fish.
Cheese. Happy, smile. Normal na.
There is big fish. Oh, there is big fish. Oh, look, look. Oh, there, oh, no. Go there. Sit there. Sit there. Oh, there's a big fish. Oh. There is big fish. Oh. Oh, sige.
Ang pangit kasi sa picture. 1, 2, 3. Kuya, isa lang. Happy ka, happy. Ayan, para kasama ka yan. Isa lang po.
Dali ka, nagyan ka muna rito.
Yes, smile.
Thank you. Look at the big fish. Baby, look at the big fish. Oh. Up there. Oh. Wow. Giant fish. Oh, this one, baby. Look, look, look. Come here, look, look. Oh. Look, look. Come here. Oh. Ah. You stand up there, you stand up there. Come on. Stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Yan. Oh, you look at the fish. Wow. Another one, ha? Halika na, go down na. Sige, sige. Ay, hindi. Naka-video ko eh. Ayan, selfie na lang kayo. Ayan, oh, there's a big fish coming. Oh, there's a big fish coming, baby. Hanggang na, dali. Naiwan na tayo. Ay, sorry, sorry. Arawana pala. Arawana. Ito ay shark. Red-tailed catfish. Sigang tilapia. Puro tilapia. Ito gars. Gars pala yan. Gars. Hello, Garci. How deep does how that this go the Amazon? Oh, ayan kanina nandun.
Yun. Ay, ang dami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ha? Ay, yun. Sabi yan.
Hello.
I told you get nuts.
Baby, may owl, oh. May owl, oh. There's an owl, oh. There, oh. Look, baby, owl, oh. There, oh. There's an owl, oh. There, oh. Big owl, oh.
Wait lang pa. Hello. Hello. Dito ka, ma'am.
Baby, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Stay in the middle, stay in the middle. Just in the middle. Stay there, just in the middle. Face Papa, dali. Stay there, I'll take picture, dali, oh. Move. Move, move a little. Ah, okay. No, the other hand. The other hand. Yes. Very good. Good job, kuya. Dali. Oh, embrace kuya. Embrace kuya.
Wow! 1, 2, 3. Hindi nakatingin yung eagle. Happy! Camera ready ka raw, ah. Happy lang, kuya. Happy lang, happy. Ganyan lang, oh. Ganyan lang. Happy.
Nahiya, tumalikod.
Kaya mo na yung eagle owl.
Owl.
Kuya, happy.
Philippine Eagle Owl pala yan. Gentle lang, gentle.
Papa,
Hilay mo. Alam ko may dalawang butas. Ilak mo, ha.
Wait lang po, ah. Why? Wait lang. Camera ready lang ako. Shot. Kaya nga mapabilisan talaga mo. Hindi pwede nawakan. Ganyan lang. Ano lang kami, friends. Okay lang yan.
Na ikaw, dali, lapitan mo.
Sige, pwede ka dyan, ma'am, ulit. Ulitin natin. Ako nakatingin. Dali ka, ma'am.
Huwag mo hawakan.
1, 2, 3 shot. 1, 2, 3.
Nanunukla po yan? Nanunukla? Masakit?
Ako lang. Meron tayong show mamaya ng 2
There's nothing in that side.
Yeah, we're going to the other side. Dito, oh.
Saan ang pitcheter? Doon sa cheter?
Lalabas nila.
Meron daw silang ano mamaya. Show.
Re-receive yan. Papaano mo sa guard? Papaano mo doon?
Hindi, pwede naman picture ng Fortuner yun, eh.
Sabi ni Papa kasi raw sa Fortuner.
Dati, binili namin yung washing machine yun. Thank you.
Doon na tayo kain? Saan? Sa Panot na? Pwede. O dito na. Anong oras na ba? Kaso anong oras? 1:30. 1:30 na eh. Mag-slide na lang tayo. Kakain na kami, tapos pupunta na kami. Hindi naman eh. Di ba ko i-deliver na ngayon, Papa? Gusto mo i-deliver na kayo.